Today I'm going to unbox my Influenster Vox box. The Influencer Vox box. Okay, let's open it. Let's check what is inside my Influencer Vox box. It's an Influenster jollyvoxbox box. Okay, so let's check it out. What is the first item? The first one is a Skinny Cow Divine Filled Chocolates, the 6 1-ounce pouches. Yeah, there's a description of each item over here. Okay, the Skinny Cow, $3.99 per box. Okay. The next item is the Puffs Plus Lotion tissues. Cool. It would be great if you have any cold or something. Puffs Ultra Soft and Strong to Go Tissue Pack. Great. The next item is the duct tape. Pretty good color and design. The duct tape, the ducklings mini rolls, and yeah, it's excellent for repair, crafting, imaginative projects. Yeah. And next one is the Rimmel London Show Off. Okay, it's the Rimmel London new Show Off lip lacquer. It's $5.49 to $5.99, and it's intense rich color of a lipstick combined with invisibly smooth lacquer shine. Great. And the last item is this NYC eyeshadows HD color trio eyeshadow, and it HD high color trio eyeshadow delivers high intensity color with a soft texture. Great. Ultimate smoky eye. So I got all these items from my Influenster jollyvoxbox box. So check it out. Check it out them on Facebook/Influenster, and follow them on Influenster Vox on Twitter. So yeah, and I got this all these items from Influencer complimentary for testing purposes and reviewing them. Okay, so that's also, check it out. Facebook.com Influencer. Bye bye.